Hello everyone. Many people, when choosing PPF, the first thought is, will it make my car shinier? Will it look cooler? But in fact, the core function of PPF is always protection. It protects against scratches and prevents stone chips from damaging the paint. Sometimes the film surface may look badly damaged, but once removed, you'll be surprised to see the paint still perfectly intact. PPF on the market generally falls into two categories: clear TPU films and colored styling films. Clear films offer similar protection, but differ in their self-healing coatings. Some require heat to repair, like sunlight exposure or a heat gun, while others are more advanced, repairing light scratches at room temperature. Colored films are better suited for those who want a new color without repainting. They change the look while still providing the same protective benefits. There are mainly two processes. One is embedding color directly into the TPU layer. The other is sandwiching it between layers. In material science, the mainstream design is a sandwich structure, adhesive at the bottom, TPU in the middle, and a self-healing top layer. Some premium brands even use dual-TPU designs, with a harder TPU layer acting as the repair surface. PPF also provides extra value during winter. In regions with de-icing salt, it reduces the risk of corrosion, acting like an additional shield for both paint and underbody. In summary, TPU films are not just a paint shield, they are also the balance between style and performance. So what matters more to you, the protection or the style of PPF? Subscribe if you'd like to keep learning more practical car care tips.